In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add another language on your Google account. This can improve your overall experience by personalizing search results, app content, and recommendations to match your language preferences. It enables Google Assistant to understand and respond in multiple languages, making interactions smoother. To do this, simply head to your Google account. Tap on these three lines and head to Settings. Head to Account. You will want to tap on your Info, Privacy, and Security. Slide to Personal Info. You will want to navigate onto the second last section of General Preferences for Web. Select on Language. To add another language, tap on Add Language. Select any language of your own choice and tap on Save. You can also change language by simply tapping right here. Well, that's how easy it is to add another language to your Google account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.